Hey, this is Shay, and if you've been looking to make $250 a day online, keep watching to the very end of this video. It's only going to be a short video, but I'm going to give you access to something usually only my students get to see. And you know what? Maybe you haven't made even your first dollar online yet. That's okay. That's what myself and my team are here to help you do. So what I'm about to show you is a campaign that I recently started as well to show and motivate my own students and to really prove to them that making new campaigns and getting started online is more than still possible right now today. And of course I could show you a campaign that I've had running for years, and of course I could show you a campaign that, I've had running for years and it makes me plenty of money, but that doesn't really prove what I'm trying to say here. A campaign that is already solid doesn't prove that a new person can start a new campaign. And that's exactly why I love doing these videos, to show my students usually. Key point, this is usually only for my students that I show this stuff to, okay? But this is the awesome thing. I'm doing this for you because you clicked on this video. You're looking for ways to make money online. You're looking to get past whatever current income level you are on, even if you haven't even made any money online yet. And I just want to show you this campaign. So I'm just going to jump over right now to the network that I've been using, that I've been making this money with just recently. Another new campaign. I have many others to show you as well. Check out my other videos as well. But just for this video, I want to show you this one. So this is just for today. Let me just go back, and we're not even past halfway through the day yet. It's not even lunchtime here yet. So let me just go back to the 8th. I'm going to go back to the 8th of May, okay, and up to today, the 11th. And I'm just going to run that campaign, update the stats. Alright, now, as you can see, this campaign has taken off fairly quickly. I mean, I've had other campaigns take off even faster than this, but I'll just show you what I mean. I'll just extend these campaigns out so you can see per day. These are the main campaigns with the slightly larger amounts. This campaign I was running as well, this one here. With it, I rotate offers and campaigns within the same campaign, multiple offers in a campaign. That's what you usually want to do so you can find the winners. This is all part of what you do as a marketer. But yeah, big differences. See, I sent basically the same, close to the same amount of clicks. If you compare this top campaign highlighted in the light reddish pinkish color, 343 clicks there and $358 made. This one generated almost the same amount of clicks here, 328, but only $43 made. Okay, so that's the difference. That says to me, or any marketer, that this one's not the winner and this one is, for example. And even this one here, it's close to 300 also, and less clicks even were sent through my tracking links to that one. So as I said earlier, it's not even 11 a.m. here right now on the 11th, and I started the campaign on the 8th, and I would have started that late at night. So I can barely even count the 8th, and I probably almost shouldn't have even just put that in there, but I just wanted to show you how a campaign starts. Okay, see, even $10 in each campaign on that day, so $20 made total. These campaigns are run together, if that wasn't obvious. Just want to make that super obvious. They're rotated with the same traffic or a single traffic source. And again, this is all part of what I teach my students. So if you look at that, the total, and you average it out over barely 3 days, it's around $250 a day. Just getting started. This is really motivating for my students, and hopefully it's motivating you as well, because I want to show you everything that I am doing right now. You can get access to this campaign and many, many more if you take action now, but I am about quality. Okay, I'm not about quantity. I can't have this open for everyone forever. So you need to take action now. Take action right now. All you have to do is click the link at the top of the description. Do it now. It'll be a short bit.ly link at the top. You'll see it right there. Click that, and I'll actually just go to my site as well, so I can show you exactly what I mean. So I'm just here on my site now. This is exactly what you'll see. Click the link at the top of the description. Do that. Then as soon as you get to my site here, just enter in your best email address. Then hit the instant access button right there so I can send you everything, okay? You'll get a welcome email from me. Check your inbox for that. I'm going to have some awesome stuff in there for you. So take action right now while I still have this open so you can also get to that next income level. So again, take action right now if you haven't already. Click the link at the top of the description. Enter your best email on my site right here. Click the instant access button right now. As soon as you get my welcome email, just reply if you have any questions at all. So do that now. Thanks for checking out my video. I'll work with you really soon.